Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Can I understand English?
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
D-
willing.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
Yes, ma'am. I'm healthy.
Okay, so this is your first time working abroad, is it?
Ma'am.
Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia?
Same, same kind like Filipino and same Asia.
Can you
Same
help me
time.
introduce yourself, please?
I'm Mylene Kalubakig. I'm 42 years old. I'm born in Maribeles, Bataan. I'm married but separated, and I have a three child.
How old are those children?
My age children are 18 years old, eldest. Second is 11 years old, and youngest is 1 year old.
When is your birthday?
March 22, 1982.
Do you already have your passport?
Loose passport, ma'am.
Okay. What is your height and your weight?
5'3", ma'am, and my weight is 57
What
kilogram.
is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so you are a single parent right now, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Housekeeper, ma'am. Stay in house and 70 years old.
Still working.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have boyfriend right now because you are separated already?
No have, ma'am.
Don't have? Are you sure that you don't have?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sure.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I'm seven siblings, and I'm third from
How many
eldest.
brother and how many sister?
My brothers is three brothers and three sisters.
What is your rank in your family again?
Ma'am,
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I'm third, ma'am.
You are the third. Okay. So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2018 to 2021 as a housemaid.
Yes, ma'am.
In which
There is
place in the Philippines?
yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Maribeles Bataan, ma'am.
Is it live in? Is it stay in maid?
Stay in, ma'am. Stay in.
Stay in Batangas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it? So you worked there for 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are your duties there to your previous employer in Batangas?
Ano, cleaning, ma'am. Cleaning. Take care the two kids, 10 years old and 4 years old.
And then?
Then cooking, ma'am.
And then?
Sometimes washing the clothes.
And then? You do ironing or no?
Ironing, yes, ma'am. I will do.
Okay, so you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, okay? You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I will do.
Yes, because we are not playing here. You will going to sign a 2 years contract. So don't tell me once you come to work here in Malaysia, Mom, I wanted to go back home. I miss my family. No such a thing because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract also, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I will do the finish my contract.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I will do.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. Filipino food, ma'am.
But are
But
you
I
willing to learn?
yes, ma'am. I willing to learn to.
Are you okay to take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
No. You know how to speak Mandarin or Malay?
No, ma'am.
No. Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. You will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. You are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. And if you will work on your rest, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. I okay.
We want to clarify it to you in our initial interview so that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will not give us headache. We don't want to have such a problem also. As long as you are okay with our terms and conditions, then it's okay, you can come. But if you disagree, it's okay. We better stay in the Philippines. Don't give us trouble, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So how will you gonna fight your homesickness later, knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your family? What will you do?
Um, ma'am, my for better future to my kids.
What will you do if you feel sad for, like for example, your homesickness strikes you? Like if you miss your children, your family, what will you do if you miss them?
Ma'am, I focus my work, ma'am.
You focus on your work, that's all.
Yes, ma'am. I focus my work and I I keep my my ambition, ma'am. I want to earn my money.
Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to have some better future for your children, knowing that you are separated from your husband. Is your husband still supporting your children?
No, ma'am.
No. So now you are striving so hard for your kids
Yes,
alone.
ma'am. Yes,
Na.
ma'am.
So make it as a motivation, okay? You need to work hard, you need to work properly once you come to work here in Malaysia. You need to respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations, because this is not Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations. Respect the employer. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer, because you are the one who will be working inside the premises for 2 years. So don't give it a try that you will ask permissions to your employer that you will go out on your rest day, because we will going to stick with our rules and regulations of no go out policies. Yeah?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So are you okay all of these things?
Yes, ma'am. I okay.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Eileen. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah? Thank you.
Ma'am.